Good morning, all of you. We are from Kedarnath Public School.
Stand up, all of you. Ready? Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. Join your hand, close your eyes, and get ready for morning assembly. Listen to me, O Lord, I pray. For this is what I have to say. Make me helpful and make me kind. Keep me healthy and make me wise. May I be happy in whatever I do. And for everything you have given me, a big thank you. A big thank you. A big thank you. For Gayatri month. Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. Straight your right hand and get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lie my happiness. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Good morning, all of you.